Hey you! Welcome to You Need a Bento. I'm Willow. Here we discuss all things bento related, from recipes to reviews, tips, and even some history. If you're interested, consider subscribing so you don't miss anything. You hungry? Let's make 3 things you can add to almost any bento. We're going to start with ham flours. So here I have 3 slices of lunch meat. To make a full pick, you're going to need about 3 slices if they're fairly small. You're going to fold them in half, and on the fold side, make cuts reasonably evenly spaced, but if they're not too even, that's fine too. You're going to roll. And depending on the height of your bento, you may need to trim the bottom. And for here, you're going to use a pick. I have these picks. You can use a toothpick though, and just stab through it. And the last one, you want to make sure your folded piece is on the inside here, so that when you stab it through, it doesn't unroll. And that way they fit standing up. Next, we're going to make the apple bunnies you saw in a short that I recently did. Take half an apple. You can cut this into thirds, or you can cut it into half. I'm going to go with thirds. If you cut it nice and flat here, you can sit it on the board without wiggling. You're going to take your knife and create the ear shape. Now from here, to get your bunny ears to stand up, very, very carefully peel just underneath them. And peel up ever so slightly. Clean up the edges. And there you go. This last one is less a technique and more of a tool. Melons and a melon baller. Now this is not limited to melons, but you take your melon ball, press it onto the melon, and then press in without really dipping in too much, because you got a really weird spot. You'll always have the flat spot, and that's okay. How fun is that? Now, if you have a bunch of different colors of melon, this works really well. Take something like cucumber or zucchini if you like zucchini, and take out the centers. This you have to be very, very careful with because you can go too deep. Make sure you cut your cucumber a little bit thick. on hollow out the inside. In that hole, you can put something like chicken salad, ham salad. There's even a chickpea salad that I absolutely love in here. And these don't go soggy in your lunchbox, so they're absolutely perfect. And there you are. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you soon.